Well, I'm just getting up here to our property, another load of crap. Got a little equipment failure behind me on my trailer. Had to drag the last few hundred yards. Put a little load on my motor, my diesel. I guess good thing it broke up here, not coming up on the road. So that's why you double strap your Harleys in when you're towing. Yeah, we drug it a little ways. Oh, there's the axle. I think we cost one tire for sure. And the second tire is still holding there. Yeah, it's fine. Trailer, I think, is out of commission for a while. Yeah. That tire might have some issues under there. I think it's going to be easy to unload it. I'm going to pick it up with the forklift and be on the ground. So yeah, see, that's why you always double strap the back of your bikes. See, that way they can't slide side to side when they're bouncing 2 feet in the air because the wheels jamming underneath your trailer. So that's my drag bike, 57 pan, and my ugly bike, 73. So strapped in real nice and good. Tested out the load. Worked good. Truck's got plenty of balls. Drug that sucker all the way up the road. It smoothed out through here because it was on the ground by this point. It was bouncing pretty heavy coming up the hill over here. So, there's the property. That guy knew a rain groove in the road now. There's some big bounce marks coming up the hill. A shortcut through here. Yeah, you can see where it's dragging it all the way up the road. Yeah. Definitely got some drag marks going all the way down there. It broke down there past that last pole, you can see. It was bouncing pretty heavy. I got to where it would start to slide a little bit, and then it bounced some more, and you can see the wheels are on the left side, turned sideways. And finally ripped everything out and then just drug it. Good trailer tire too. Oh well, I got spares. Yep, I think we're going to have to do some suspension work. I think I'm about to use the forklift to unload the trail vehicles here though, but yeah, once they drop on the ground, it'll be fine. Appears to be a little rust issues. Yeah. What do you mean it's got too many years at Bonneville? That's what Bonneville does to your trailer. Oh yeah, just some damage over here. So did the spring break? Yep, spring broke. That's what happened. Broken the spring. Yeah, it was half broken before. Yep, see it's still in the back. So, yep, spring broke. I was wondering when it was going to fail. It failed. Alright, well there you go. Another fun day at the property. At least it's not 100+ degrees like it was. It's late in the day. Wait to come up late. Alright, well there you go. We're having fun up here. Got the forklift down in that container. Parking lot for now. Alright, well there you go. Another fun day up here in the combo. That's it. Alright, there's the trailer all unloaded. Shove it a little bit further over, I guess. So yeah, got the tires off and flipped the axle back underneath, and it's pretty ripped up. Shoved it in there about 6 feet. So my tire has a little hole in it. I don't think a plug will fix that. The rim's a little dented, but it'll be fine. I'll straighten that out, it'll be fine. There you go. There's the bikes on the ground. No damage. Ready for some dirt drag racing. Not quite. Alright, I'm going to go pick me up a loaner trailer. This one here is out of commission for a while until I fix it. I put a new tongue on it years ago, and that's still good. So I need to put a new frame between that and all the way back, and then we don't care about the rust on the side. They don't hurt anything. As long as the suspension's mounted to the tongue there, you're golden. Doesn't matter what everything else looks like. Because I like the trailer. It's the right size for me and everything. I like it. But we'll make it fixed. It's a 1970 trailer, so it's been around for a while. Alright. Good thing I got a forklift, because that's how you fix trailers that are damaged. Pick them up, move them around. Alright. I'm out here for this one. Alright, there's our debris field. Rust from the trailer. Parts were spewed all over the place. So there's the hump that broke it. So there's the missing shackle, leaf spring, and brackets and stuff there on the side of the road. They were spewed off for the next 50 feet all the way through the road there. Looks like a taillight broke too at some point. I didn't look at the back of it, I didn't know it was broken. So coming up the hill right here, that's probably the last big bump right here is what got it. You always hit these rocks right here, so that's probably when it snapped it. And it started bouncy, bouncy, bouncy from there on. So, might be some metal fatigue in the springs. So, yeah, that one was pre-broken. So I finally snapped the rest of the way off. That was a clean break on that one. And that's the backup spring. These were the old broken ones that were on the bottom. These two were already missing. So we had the main spring right here. I guess that's what broke right there. So this is the main spring, the only one they had left. But you see, there's a big long one that's missing. It's about 3 foot long. So that must have came out on the road someplace. It was in between. This is the main leaf, and there's one in between. So, oh no, this is the one that was underneath. That's right. That's why it's in on the yeah. The main leaf's still on the trailer. It's broken in half. So yeah, these are the two leaves that are doing all the weight retention. There's the shackle holds it all together. So there you go. Rust. Finally broke it. Big rocks. To get up that hill, you got to be going at a decent speed. You got to be doing 15 miles an hour. So you start bouncing on the rough stuff. That's what happens. So there's the tire. Kicked sideways, leaving a mark in the ground. So it was bouncing in the air 2-3 feet at a time. It was bouncing up and down all over the place. So you can see it going sideways there. And there's the marks in the ground where it's dragging sideways. There's some of the electrical wiring. And then through there you can see when we got in the sand, it just started dragging all the way up. It was bouncing pretty heavy all the way through here. Well, there you go. The debris field. Time for some new springs. All right, that's it. Getting dark. Time to get out of here.